Question number 7.
Tēnā koe te māngai te whare.
The Honourable Willow-Jean Prime.
Tēnā koe te māngai o te whare. My question is to the Minister of Education. Does she stand by all her statements and actions on learning support?
The Honourable Stanford.
Yes, Mr Speaker, in the context in which they're given, targeting effective learning support interventions for students with additional needs is part of my 6 priorities. It's our intention to have a system that delivers the right service to the right child at the right time, and I've heard what the sector has been asking for, and I look very much forward to outlining my plans in this space in the coming months. But in the meantime, our government's already delivering the knowledge-rich curriculum, the 836,000 high-quality maths resources being delivered to students, thousands of students now benefiting from targeted maths acceleration tutoring, and almost 1,000 primary schools benefiting from trained structured literacy teachers to accelerate achievement for Year 0 to 2 students.
Supplementary. Why is she proposing to cut the resource teachers who work most intensively with the kids who need the most additional support?
Mr Speaker, the member consistently conflates spend and outcomes for children. As a minister, we are responsible for taxpayers' money to make sure that the children in our classes receive the support that they need. What we are looking at in system reform is making sure that the supports and resources that we have are optimised for the children on the ground, which is why we have invested in 1,000 schools with Tier 2 intervention teachers for literacy. What I will not do is stand by and have resources that are not optimised, that are not consistently applied across the country and that are not equitable, which is why we are looking at re-optimising this service to frontline supports for children.
Supplementary. How many of the 2,000 completed submissions on the consultation to cut resource teachers were in support of her proposed changes, and how many weren't?
Mr Speaker, I don't have that in front of me, but if the minister would like, the member, sorry, would like to put
you haven't given it to me.
Something to me in writing, I'll supply that to him.
Supplementary. Supplementary.
Listen, don't talk while a question's being asked.
Is she concerned that her cuts to resource teachers who help the children who need it most will also have an impact on teachers and the entire class?
Mr Speaker, again, the member was not listening last night when we had the annual review debates, that a cut is not what's happening in this instance. What we have clearly outlined is a taking of a resource that is not optimised and is not working and reinvesting it elsewhere. Frontline supports to children in classes to make sure that they are getting the support that they need to raise achievement and close the equity gap. It is making sure that we are optimising the services that we have to get outcomes for children. It's a shame that the previous government didn't learn that lesson.
Supplementary. Why should the kids who need the most support pay the price for tax cuts?
Mr Speaker, I can assure that member that the children in our schools who need literacy support are A, already receiving it, and B, if she waits till the budget, she'll learn more. 1,000 schools, primary schools, are now receiving structured literacy interventions for those children who are being left behind. Not only that, but those Tier 2 intervention teachers will be given the very best professional learning and development that is available in structured literacy, making sure that they are specialist teachers.